So welcome to another interesting video on the Valucop YouTube channel on how to buy using the Binance P2P. So before we go any further, just make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video with someone, and make sure you subscribe. So in this video, I want to show you how to use the Binance P2P to buy or sell your crypto. Ever since the ban on bank deposits, so we have to go back to the original way of buying and selling crypto without the bank intermediaries. So when you come to your Binance exchange, you will see the the first interface, and then let's say you sold your coin, and now your coin is in USDT in your wallet. So you go to your wallet and you have your coin in USDT. What you should do is to transfer your USDT to you click on transfer, and you transfer your USDT from your spot wallet to your P2P wallet. Remember, your USDT is in your spot wallet, so you're transferring from your spot wallet to your P2P wallet. So you can select the token you want to transfer, which is USDT, and then you click on depending on the quantity you want to send. Maybe you want to sell 100, or you want to send 200, you want to sell, depending. So after you've done that, you click on transfer. When you click on transfer, it will go to your P2P wallet. Now under your P2P wallet, you go to P2P. You see, as soon as you click transfer, you will see P2P trading. So when you click on P2P trading, now this is the P2P interface. If your currency is not in naira, so you go up here and change it to naira, or change it to your preferred currency. Then you're selling. You want to sell your USDT, so you come to sell. Under sell, now these are different this you're going to sell, so you click on USDT. Now these are different people that are selling right now. Now this is the name of the person selling. This is the number of the trades the person has made since the person started using P2P here, and then this is number of success percentage, the success rate of the person. So now when you are doing this thing, if you're going to use P2P, make sure you look at, there are three things you should look at. Look at the person's number of trades, look at the person's success rate, and then look at the mode of payment. Very important. Now when you see this mode of payment, this means the person is going to send the funds to your Binance wallet, your Binance NGN wallet. So I'm very sure you wouldn't want that. Maybe you just want to withdraw the money to your bank account. Now let me show you another option that if you see, you shouldn't just go for it unless you just end up here. Now look at this one now. This green one means that the person is going to pay you in airtime. Just imagine being paid 100,000 naira in airtime. So don't go for that, because usually when you come here, you're going to see amazing rates. But even though you're seeing 700 naira per dollar, look at the payment method, because I'm very sure that you would want it in your bank account and not either as an airtime or your Binance wallet. So you don't have to now scroll down to look for the one that you can withdraw to your bank account. Now look at this one. You can withdraw this to your bank account. Look at the person is selling to both Binance wallet and your bank account. Now if you look at this now, this person now is here. The person has a good enough trade, over 1,551 trades and 91% success rate, and the person is selling at 600 naira per dollar. And the person's limit, now next thing you should look at also is the person's sale limit. Now the person is selling between, the quantity the person have currently is 9,982 dollars, and the person is selling minimum of 1,000 naira to 750,000 naira. So whatever you're going to buy should fall within this range. So now let's just say you're not going with this person. Of course, before you start all this process, make sure that your account on Binance is verified, and then that you've updated your payment method, which you come here, click on payment method, and you add your payment method, your bank account and all that. So the person we are using, see, so now we have at least this person now, this coconut is this person has very good amount of legit rate and good percentage. So you can see, and you can sell within 10,000 naira to this person to 1 million naira to this person. So you now click on sell. When you click on sell, of course by crypto, you put the quantity, then you put your payment method, you select the bank you're using, and you click sell. Then you wait for you to receive your alert. As soon as you receive your alert, you will see confirm payment. Please do not confirm payment if you've not received the alert. Until you receive alert, do not confirm payment. So when you confirm you've seen your alert in your phone, you can now confirm the payment and then go through the 2FA verification, and you've successfully sold your crypto. So this is how to sell. Now let us say now you want to fund your Binance account. You want to fund your Binance account because you want to start trading, you want to start doing your trades. So what should you do? Same way, you come to this is home, you go to your wallet. These are different tabs up here: overview, spot, margin, features. Then under P2P, you come to P2P trading. Now this is under the assumption that the funds is in your bank account and you want to deposit USDT in order to start trading. So you click on buy. Now look, remember what I told you about number of trades, success rate, and mode of payment. So now these are their rates. They are selling at, these people are selling at 497. So, and this is the rate they are selling. This is the minimum amount they are selling. This first person now can only sell minimum of 265,000 naira. That is about $500, or let's say no more than $500. Then you check for the one that's within your range. Person is selling at minimum is 5,000 naira to this, and the person has only this quantity remaining, 387 USDT remaining. So you can click on buy. That's refreshed. Okay, let's refresh. So we click on buy, and then of course you are paying now by fiat. Fiat is your naira from your bank account. So you put in the amount you want to buy. So the minimum person says 100,000 naira. So let's say you're buying the one of 100,000. When you click buy now, it will enter. So the person your payment window is, the person is buying it from you, that you're paying to. You're paying the person, depositing 100,000 naira to the person's account, and the person is going to send you USDT that amount. So you now click on buy. You send to the person's account number, and then the person releases the crypto as soon as the person confirms payment on his own side. So be very careful. This does not mean Binance does not hold you cannot hold Binance accountable to if you encounter any fraudulent person. So that is why you have to pay attention to number of trades, and you pay attention to success rates, so that you don't make any mistakes. So if you have any questions, this is very easy peasy, and do well to leave your questions in the comment section of this video. Thank you very much.